Let us see all the formulas. Once again, contribution. Two formulas for contribution. The first is sales minus variable cost, and second formula is fixed cost plus profit. So sales minus variable cost and fixed cost plus profit. Second formula, PV ratio. The PV ratio is contribution by sales. PV ratio is contribution by sales. Third, break-even point units. Break-even point unit is fixed cost divided by contribution. Fixed cost divided by contribution. Fourth is break-even point unit, break-even point sales or rupees is break-even point units into sales. So break-even point units into sales. Fourth formula is margin of safety. So that is actual sales minus break-even sales. So actual sales minus break-even sales is margin of safety. And fifth is, suppose if you want to earn a different profit. So what should be your sale? So sales to earn a desired profit is fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. So these are the formulas that we are going to use in our question. So you will get this type of question in exam. Okay. Like for example, here fixed cost is given, variable cost is given, and sales is given. You have to calculate contribution, PV ratio, break-even point, both units and sales, margin of safety, and last, volume of sale to earn profit of rupees 6,000. So that is the last one, formula. So let us see this calculation. So first let us calculate contribution. Now to contribution, either you should have sales and variable cost or fixed cost plus profit. See, profit is not given, but variable cost and sales are given. So you can use the first formula. You can use the first formula to calculate contribution because both sales and variable cost is given. See, in the second case, fixed cost and profit. Profit is not given. So we cannot calculate the contribution using this formula. So we can use the first formula because sales and variable cost both are given. So what is contribution? So contribution is sales. How much? So sales minus variable cost. How much is sales? Sales is 15,000. How much is variable cost? Variable cost is 7,500. So your contribution is 7,500. So very simple. Very simple. You have to just by heart the formula. So contribution is sales minus variable cost. Sale is 15,000. Variable cost is 7,500. So your contribution is 7,500. So we have found contribution. Second, we have to find PV ratio. Now, what is the formula for PV ratio? It is contribution by sales. So PV ratio. PV ratio is contribution by sales. Now here contribution is 7,500 divided by sales. Sales is 15,000. 15,000. So is equal to 1 by 2. So PV ratio is 1 by 2. 7,500 divided by 15,000 is 1 by 2. See, either you can write in percentage also. If you want in percentage, multiply by 100. So you will get 50%. So normally at present we don't have to calculate in percentage. So PV ratio is contribution by sale. Contribution is 7,500 and sale is 15,000. So 7,500 divided by 15,000 is 1 by 2. So that is PV ratio. So we have found PV ratio also. So we have found PV ratio. Now we have to calculate break-even point units. See, break-even points, we have to calculate two things. One, break-even point units, and second, break-even point rupees. Okay, let us calculate both break-even point units and break-even point sales. So first calculate break-even point units. So third thing is break-even point units, and break-even point unit is fixed cost divided by contribution. So it is fixed cost divided by contribution. Fixed cost is 4,000. So it is 4,000 divided by contribution. Contribution is how much? 7,500. 7,500. Okay. So it comes to, see, if you divide, it is 8, 15. So it is 8 by 15. 8 by 15. 8 by 15. You can put in fraction also. Okay. You can divide 8 by 15. Okay. Whatever it is. Now, what is break-even point sales? Break-even point sales is, or rupees, is break-even point units into selling price, or sales into sales. Now break-even point unit is 8 by 15, and your sale is how much? 15,000. 15,000. Okay, so 15 divided this is 1,000. 1,000 into 8 is 8,000. So your break-even sale is 8,000. So that is break-even point sales. So break-even point sale is 8,000. So we have calculated break-even point also. So it is break-even point units into sales. So break-even point unit is 8 by 15. Sale is 15,000. So 8 by 15 into 15,000 is 8,000. So break-even point sale is 8,000. Now the next thing is we have to calculate margin of safety. Okay. For this we have to calculate margin of safety. Now what is the formula for margin of safety? It is actual sale minus break-even sale. Now how much is your actual sale? Actual sale is, so it is actual sale minus break-even sale. Break-even sales. Now your actual sale is 15,000. So it is 15,000. 15,000 minus break-even sale is, so we have calculated break-even sale 8,000. So your margin of safety is 7,000. So margin of safety is 7,000. Actual sale minus break-even sale. Actual sale is 15,000. Break-even sales we have calculated, that is 8,000. So 15,000 minus 8,000 is 7,000. So 7,000 is your margin of safety. Now the last thing. See, you have to calculate volume of sale to earn profit of rupees 6,000. Suppose if you want to earn profit of 6,000, what should be your sale? Okay, so we can use this formula. Sales earned to desired profit is fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. So what is fixed cost? The fixed cost is, so you can write fixed cost. Fixed cost is 4,000. So it is 4,000. And what is your desired profit? Desired profit is 6,000. See, volume of sale to earn profit of rupees 6,000. So your desired profit is 6,000. Divided by PV ratio. Now what is PV ratio? It is 1 by 2. So divided by 1 by 2. So it is 10,000 into 2. So this 2 will come up. Okay. So your sales to earn desired profit of 6,000 is 20,000. 20,000. So this becomes your sales. If you desire to get a profit of rupees 6,000. So if you want 6,000 profit, your sales should be 20,000. Okay. So this is how we calculate all these things. Okay. So we have to remember all these 6 formulas. Okay, to do this. So this type of question will come in exam. Okay, this type of question will come in the exam. So let us practice some more questions.